In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a thank you message in Google Forms. This is a great way to acknowledge participants and leave a positive closing impression after they've submitted their responses. Whether you're using Google Forms for a survey, an application, or any other purpose, adding a thank you message is a simple yet effective way to show your appreciation. To get started, first, head over to Google Forms. If you haven't created your form yet, no worries, you can do so by clicking on the blank option. Once you're there, it's time to give your form a heading. For this tutorial, let's use application as our header. Having a clear and relevant header helps participants understand the purpose of the form right away. Now, it's time to add a question. In this example, we'll ask, how soon will you be able to start with us? This question allows you to gather necessary information quickly and efficiently. Beneath your question, you'll see a default option set to multiple choice. However, for this query, we only need a short response, so let's switch it to short answer. This encourages straightforward and concise answers from your respondents. Making your question compulsory ensures that you don't miss critical information from participants. So next, let's click on the Required button. This will make it mandatory for respondents to provide an answer before submitting the form. With our question set, it's time to bring that thank you message to life. Head over to the settings icon at the top of your screen. This is where you can customize your form's submission experience. Once in the settings, navigate to the Presentation tab. Here, you'll find the area where you can modify the confirmation message. Click on Edit and enter your personalized text. For this tutorial, let's go with a simple yet sincere thank you. Once you've typed your thank you message, remember to hit Save. This will ensure that your changes are stored and will be displayed as intended when someone completes your form. Now let's make your form live. Click on Publish to finalize everything. Lastly, it's important to verify that everything is working as expected. Click on Copy Respondent's link to get the form link, then open it in a new tab. Go ahead and fill in your sample form and click Submit. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your thank you message pop up, and there you have it. You've successfully added a thank you message to your Google form. By following these steps, you're not only collecting valuable data, but also showing appreciation to your respondents. Thanks for watching and happy form creating.